Hi, teacher. Today we have an interactive activity. Okay, the topic is sustainable cities. The objective of this activity is that by the end of the class you will be able to describe problems and suggest solutions using your vocabulary. Okay, so that you have to learn new words. After that, you have to answer a question, okay? Do you think your city is environmentally friendly? Okay, you have 1 minute to think. Tell me that. Do you think your city is environmentally friendly? What?
Sometimes
If you work Yeah, okay, time is over. Christopher, what do you think?
I think I don't think so because in my city there's some parts that are with trash, garbage, and also the people are unpolite. So I think it's not very totally friendly.
Good idea. Shady, what do you think?
I disagree with this question because in my city the people is very rude with others.
Um, good point of view. Okay, now let's learn how to express that idea with a new vocabulary. Okay. Uh, I am going to explain you about environment and transportation. Okay, please repeat after me. Okay. Pollution,
Pollution,
carbon footprint,
carbon footprint,
green space,
green space,
public transportation,
public transportation,
traffic congestion,
traffic congestion,
bike lines,
bike lines,
renewable energy,
renewable energy,
non-renewable energy,
non-renewable energy,
energy consumption,
energy consumption,
waste management,
waste management,
recycling,
recycling,
sustainability.
sustainability.
Okay. Please try to understand this word because you have to use in the follow activity.
Tres.
And now, students, you have to read the meaning, okay? Christopher, first the new sentence.
Okay. Pollution, contamination of air, water, of land.
And I agree the second, please.
Carbon footprint, amount of CO2 produced by people or cities.
Okay, good. Nicholas, please, the third.
Green space, parks and natural areas in a city.
Okay, Shady, the fourth.
Public transportation, buses, trains, and metro system.
Okay, good. Jamila, the next, please.
Traffic congestion, heavy traffic and delays.
Paulina, and the next, please.
Bike lines, special roads for bicycles.
Okay, good. And now, guys, we are going to start with the activity. For that, I am going to apply a Jigsaw strategy. You have to work in pairs. I am going to give you a reading, and you have to read, investigate more, and become expert. Okay? For that, have 4 minutes. Okay, guys, and now you have to form group of three. Christopher, Nayeli, and Shady are group one, and Paulina, Nicolas, Gabriel, group two. Okay, each person have to explain their topic to the group. Okay. After that you have to answer. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now form your groups and share ideas and please answer this question. Okay.
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 Okay, teacher.
Okay. How can we make a city more sustainable? What do you think, Jamila?
I think that we can help our city first in our home, making maybe recycling or making the things more healthy.
Okay. I think a more sustainable solution is to use the renewable energy, such as solar and wind power.
I think we need to improve public transportation systems and promote alternative forms of transportation.
What do you think, Paulina? How can make your city more sustainable?
I think one solution is to maintain green space such as parks, gardens, and urban forests, and don't waste the energy.
Well, you, Nicolas, what is your top?
Maybe a more sustainable solution is to renewable energy, for example, solar or wind power, because it's more clear, it's more safer, and can be used for a long time.
Yeah.
And you?
I think one solution could be easily, for example, in your house, you only need to unplug the chargers or turn off the fridge. Something easy. I think it's no more complication.
Okay, guys. Now you have to share ideas. Remember that you have to use the new vocabulary. Okay.
Okay. I am going to talk about energy. Cities require a larger amount of energy to function every day. Energy is used in homes, office, factories, and transportation systems. However, most of this energy still comes from not renewable sources such as oil, gas, and coal. These sources are not only limited, but they also produce a lot of pollution and contribute to climate change.
Now I'm going to explain you about the environment, the waste, and green areas. Waste management is one of the biggest environmental challenges in modern cities. Every day, people produce large amounts of trash, including plastic, food, waste, and other materials. Unfortunately, not all of this waste is recycled or managed properly. As a result, garbage often ends up in landfills, rivers, and oceans, causing serious environmental problems.
Okay, I'm going to talk about transportation. Many cities around the world have serious transportation problems. As a result, the air becomes dirty and people can have health problems such as breathing difficulties. By improving transportation systems and encouraging sustainable habits, cities can reduce pollution, lower their carbon footprint, and improve the quality of life for their citizens.
Okay. Now now you have to pass to the front and share your ideas. Okay, group one, please pass to the front. Please give me one solution, okay?
Okay, teacher. Okay, I think one possible solution about transportation could be using public transportation because it says that in rush hours the cars are leaving the smoke and leave the air dirty, so it's really important to use the public transportation. It also could be ride a bike or just walk to work.
About energy, maybe a more sustainable solution is to use renewable energy sources. For example, use solar and wind power, because this energy is much clearer and much safer than can be used for a long time.
And a solution to waste and green areas. And the most helpful solution will be maintain or create green areas such as forests, parks, or gardens, because it helps to maintain the air clean.
Okay, student, give applause. Congratulations, you work very well, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, my dear students, today you work very well. Remember to use the correct grammar and remember use we can or we should when you try to give a solution, okay? The class is over. Thank you.
Thank you.